Oh my. What? Why, man? What? Why would you do that?
Oh, I'm sorry, man. Did I scare you?
Kinda.
Well, I was just wondering if you had some time to talk about some video ideas that I was working on.
Sure, man. Why not?
Okay. Well, I was thinking, maybe we should do some more videos, just starring me and Sam. I think people would really like that.
Yeah, man, that's something we could talk about. For sure.
We should also take over the cooking with Play-Doh segment.
I don't know if you really want to do that, man. I mean, that was kind of Finn's and...
I mean, Finn would want us to have it. He said that before he died.
Okay, man. Yeah, let's talk about it tomorrow, though.
Alright. Sounds good to me, man. See you tomorrow, Will.
See ya.
They're gonna get couches in here.
Can't get couches. Spend all the money on the house.
You got these chairs.
I stole the chairs. Hey, is it just me? Or is Adam acting really weird lately?
What do you mean?
I don't know, it just seems like death of his dog isn't really bothering him that much.
It definitely makes sense. I mean, he did spread fake ashes in the woods.
What's wrong with that?
You don't remember his dog always talking about how he would never go back to the woods?
He did say that, didn't he?
Yeah. Oh, time for a refill. You want one?
No, man, I'm good.
Alright, man. You don't remember his dog always talking about how he would never go back to the woods? Never go back to the woods. Never go back to the woods. Never go back to the woods.
But now, I release you to the woods from which you came.
Dog. He's gone missing. Here it is. Photos on his Facebook. Using Dell's dog, I guess. I don't think he knows anything.
Just listen. When he gives you his lousy elevator pitch, just say yes. Buy yourself some time. Skip out of town.
I was thinking, we should do some more videos, just starring me and Sam. I think people would really like that. If he didn't want us to have it. He said that before he died.
Wait a second. Hey, DeMichael.
Go get the lens cam. Let's go straight on, dude. Come on. We gotta get to production level. I think this is rolling. Yeah, rolling. Okay. Let's go. Hey, everybody! Welcome to a new channel of my.
Slooker Pooker.
What's the name, dude? Come on. The new channel. It's a new channel. That's not the old channel. We're just plugging it on the new.
We're leaving the old guys.
Can I talk? Can I finish my thing? And you can do... Sorry, guys. We're not okay. Slooker Pooker.
Alright. So we're coming out with new episodes daily, guaranteed. We're leaving the other guys, those losers.
Way better. They weren't anything good. We're gonna do meet and greets. We're gonna do signings. We're gonna do merch and all that. It's gonna be way cool. You guys can come say hi. It's just me and Sam. Forget about the old guys. We don't because they're dead. They're gone.
Pull it together. Okay. So yeah, definitely. Yeah. Come on. So yeah, I mean that's really it. There's gonna be a link in the description to our new channel.
Yeah, go to that link down below. Wait. Yeah, I mean to this channel. This channel's dead. Unsubscribe. Go to the new channel. We're gonna shut that up once Buddy here figures out how to do a computer and YouTube and whatnot. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, okay. So that's it. So the time we got, guys. Make sure to come like and subscribe and check us out. Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah. Okay. I think we're done.